I'm here to walk you through how to start shifting your breath out of your chest and into your belly. When you learn diaphragmatic breathing, you'll be able to start calming your mind. You'll learn to start reining in anxiety and relax your body. Diaphragmatic breathing is so good for your mind, body, and soul. I'll walk you through 3 quick exercises to help you gain control over your breathing. If at any point you become lightheaded, simply stop the exercises and resume your normal breathing. We'll begin by sitting upright and afterwards prepare to lie down if possible. First, it's important to take stock of how you breathe, to discover if you are a chest breather or a belly breather. There's a really quick trick to determining if you're a chest breather. Begin in a seated position. Take a giant deep breath in. Did your posture become more upright as you inhaled? And if you're not sure, take another giant deep breath in. If your posture becomes more upright as you inhale, then you're likely breathing through your chest. So we'll move on to a second exercise to help you notice how you breathe. Lie down comfortably. Take your right hand and rest it gently on your belly, and take your left hand, placing your left hand gently on your chest. With your right hand on your belly and your left hand on your chest, start to bring awareness to your breath. Simply watch your breath without judgment. Now begin to deepen your breath and take note of which hand is rising more. Is it the hand on your belly or is it the hand on your chest? If the hand on your chest is rising higher, then you are breathing through your upper lungs, through your chest. If your belly is rising higher, then congratulations, you are practicing diaphragmatic breathing. Simply watch your breath, noticing your hands move up and down. If you find that you're breathing through your upper chest or your lungs up top, the upper portion of your lungs, it can take days, weeks, even months to learn how to breathe through your diaphragm, and that's okay. Keep practicing. Now place both hands across your belly, palms facing down on your stomach, horizontally so that the tips of your middle fingers meet at your belly button. Exhale completely. And upon the complete exhalation, your middle fingers should be pointing towards one another across your belly button, your fingertips lightly touching on the exhale. As you inhale, breathe into your belly or your diaphragm. Your middle fingers will come apart on the inhalation if you're breathing through your diaphragm. Continue to breathe, consciously moving your breath into your belly. On the inhale, your middle fingertips should come apart from one another. On the exhale, your middle fingertips should meet one another. Deepen your breath, continuing to move the breath into your diaphragm. Noticing your middle fingers come apart as you inhale. Noticing your fingertips come together as you exhale. Simply watch this happen. If there's no movement in your hands or your fingertips are not coming apart and moving together, don't worry, it takes practice. Next, we can move our hands or keep them where they are. It's up to you. We'll use our imagination to gain a deeper understanding of what a good belly breath looks like. As you inhale, imagine that your belly is a balloon, expanding as the breath enters. As you exhale, imagine the balloon in your diaphragm deflating as the air exits. Breathe in through your diaphragm, the balloon expanding, and breathe out through the diaphragm, the balloon deflating. Diaphragmatic breathing helps your nervous system to relax. It eases unconscious tension in your shoulders, neck, jaws, base. It increases circulation, it centers the body and the mind. It helps you calm down. Now slowly start to resume your normal breathing, whatever that means for you. Before you go to sleep at night, every night, try this practice of conscious diaphragmatic breathing, just for a few minutes. If you practice it every day, you'll naturally start to breathe through your diaphragm, which again is much healthier for your mind and body. Diaphragmatic breathing is the first and most important step in practicing traditional yoga. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a private message or leave a comment, and I'll be happy to answer. Namaste.